A lucky day.
Whee! Mom, I'll eat the apple on my way.
Have you tidied up your room?
I don't want to be late for the championship. I'll see you at the park.
Well, I see I'll end up doing that as usual.
Huh?
Good morning.
Good morning. Are you nervous?
Nah. The apple is delicious. It's a bright, sunny day. And look, I'm wearing red socks. My favorite color. Today's my lucky day, and I'm gonna win the skateboarding championship.
I'm sure you'll win. But that's because you practiced a lot, not because you're wearing red socks.
What do you mean? These socks have always brought me luck. See? Everything works out for me, thanks to the socks.
Look who's here. It's Larry.
Maybe he thinks he can win the championship.
I'm not worried. Today is my lucky day.
And ours. We're wearing our lucky colored socks.
But they have lots of colors on them.
Yeah, if one color doesn't work, there's always another one.
How exciting! I wish him luck.
He doesn't need luck. He's practiced a lot. I'm sure he'll do great.
Ladies and gentlemen, the championship now begins.
Bravo! You did a great job!
I told you so. Today is my lucky day.
We now have two finalists, Gregory Gorilla
Yeah!
and Larry.
Hooray!
Hooray! This is a mess.
What?
Have you noticed what socks you're wearing?
The red ones. My lucky color.
You're wearing one of each color, Larry.
And what is gray? The color I hate most.
I realized that while I was tidying your room. Luckily, I brought you the matching sock.
The gray one. You know what? I'd rather just wear the red one than put on the two gray socks.
Larry, stop being silly about this. Put on the sock.
What rotten luck. I can't stand the color gray.
Ow! What's going on?
Attention, everyone. Due to technical difficulties, the contest has been put on hold until further notice. Thank you for your patience.
I don't think they'll take long to fix that.
Yeah.
I'm sure you'll feel differently after a double cheeseburger.
There are none left. Those two brothers bought all the ones I had.
Oh, you didn't get a hamburger. Too bad. We got there first.
Just like we will on the skateboard track.
Ladies and gentlemen, the problem has been fixed. The final competition will begin in 10 minutes.
Oh, I'm so nervous. Lego stones.
Wow, Charlie.
Larry? Larry! Has anyone seen Larry? I can't find him anywhere.
Larry's disappeared?
You take care of Charlie. I'll go look for him. Larry, I finally found you. Everyone is looking for you. The final is about to begin.
I'm not going. This gray sock has brought me bad luck. The technical problems, the hamburgers.
Huh? Oh.
See? Today's not my day. I'll lose for sure.
Well, if you're so sure about that, then I don't need to give you this.
Give me what?
The lucky stone. If you carry it in your pocket, it works like a lucky charm.
Do you really think it would work?
I don't know. But if you want to try it out, we better hurry.
Oh, my stomach.
We ate too many hamburgers.
The final is about to begin. 3, 2, 1, and he's off. Incredible! Spectacular! A perfect performance. Now it is Gregory Gorilla's turn. 3, 2, 1, and he's
I
off.
can't! My stomach!
Oh, we have a winner! It is Larry!
That was fabulous!
You're a skateboard genius.
This will look wonderful on the mantelpiece.
Misha, I have to tell you something.
What's wrong?
Well, I lost your lucky stone. It must have fallen out of my pocket in one of my jumps. I'm sorry about that. I really am.
Oh, no problem. Charlie, can you give him another one? Charlie spends his day collecting little stones, and his pockets are always full of them.
So, what you gave me was also a little stone from the park?
Yes, Larry, you won because you're good at what you do. Stones and socks don't have anything to do with that.
Okay. You finally convinced me, Misha.
Well, now we have to celebrate!
Yeah, and I know how. With a yummy double cheeseburger.
Yippee!